Imagine being able to design the front end of your web app in just 2 minutes. No coding, no hassle. With RunMyProcess, you can build visually stunning and functional interfaces in record time. Let me show you how. Welcome to DigitalSuite Studio, your one-stop platform for developing and managing applications. While this demo focuses on building the front interface, the tools here allow you to integrate the back end seamlessly. Let's start by creating our web interface. We name it, choose a rendering engine, and configure it in seconds. With options like Wire, you can create interfaces that are both responsive and dynamic, perfect for any project. Here's where the magic happens. With the Web Modeler, we create and customize the interface by simply dragging and dropping widgets. Each element is highly customizable, making it easy to adapt to any requirements. No coding needed. First, let's add a field for the date of visit. With a few clicks, we label it and even add a date picker to make it user-friendly. Next, we add a field for purpose of visit. This free text field allows users to provide custom reasons for their visit. Next, we add an array widget, which lets us handle multiple entries dynamically. Perfect for scenarios like visitor registration or data collection. Inside the array, we add two fields, one for visitor name and another for visitor email. These fields are fully customizable, making it easy to adapt to your specific needs. We enable options to add and remove rows dynamically, giving users the flexibility to register as many visitors as needed. With just a few steps, we've created a flexible interface that can handle dynamic data entry effortlessly. Now, we add a file upload widget, perfect for collecting documents like IDs or supporting files. Customize it to accept only the formats you need. Next, we configure the button's functionality. Here, we'll add a confirmation pop-up that reassures users their data has been successfully submitted. The power of this button doesn't stop here. It can also trigger automated workflows or send data directly to an external database. This makes it perfect for scaling your application. Now, let's see our interface in action. With just a few clicks, we switch to preview mode and test everything we've built. RunMyProcess isn't just a tool, it's a platform that empowers you to build apps faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Whether you're prototyping or deploying at scale, it has everything you need. Ready to bring your ideas to life in minutes? RunMyProcess makes it possible. Click the link below and start building smarter today.